Hi guys, it's just Jada and I am back with another video. If you are one of my day ones, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I know you guys want to be here and I want you here, okay? So anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. If you see me looking down, it's because I have my tablet. You guys probably can see it. But today I'm just going to be doing an initial review of this Bobbi Boss designer mix Miss Origin straight hair in 18 inch. I'm going to be doing my initial review as well as like a 10-day review. I'm going to try. We'll see what it do, but I'm going to, just put all of that in this one video. So yeah, so as you can see, there's no background because I really want you guys to see the hair and all of that good stuff. So I'll just give you like the specs of the hair just to start off with. So this is Bobbi Boss like Master Mix hair. It's a human hair blend and it's 18 inch and it claims to be 12A grade, sleek and silky for that celebrity look. So they say that this hair is soft, tangle free, excellent curl retention, holds curl and style for non-stop appeal, full volume, and manageable. So give you the background story. So this weekend I have somewhere to go, so I just needed a really quick style. I didn't want to pay like too much money for the style because I probably wasn't gonna leave it in very long. So I went to a local beauty supply store in my area and I saw what looked like like bundle hair. It looked like bundle hair in a pack behind the counter. So I just took a chance and I grabbed 2 bundles. Now both of those bundles were 18 inch and they were $10.99. I also grabbed a closure from there. I guess there's like a closure shortage. I'm not going to talk about the closure because it's not the one that I typically use, so I absolutely hate it. Yeah, basically that's what's up. Like this closure is, I just hate it. So we're not even going to talk about that. I did not style this hair. The only thing I did was kind of face framed it a little bit for you guys, and I pretty much not just woke up, but I've been up for a little while, and I just brushed it out and face framed it, and that's pretty much all I did, okay? And just flat iron the front just a little bit. So this is a quick weave. It is not a sew-in, it's just a quick weave. What I can say upon opening the pack, the hair is super silky. It looks exactly like bundle hair. It's not like super shiny. Like some synthetic hair can be so shiny and just like plastic looking. It doesn't look like that, or at least I don't feel like it does. It doesn't feel like that, and it's like really soft to the touch. You can brush right through it. When I went to sleep, my bonnet came off, so I can brush right through my hair. No tangles. Normally with synthetic hair, the packs are kind of thin, and I was surprised that the tracks were actually very, very full, so I only needed 2 bundles, like 2 of the packs. So that worked out perfect. I didn't cut the ends or anything, but like I said, I did face frame the front. When I face framed it, I flat ironed it. Kind of just flat ironed it, like bumped it a little bit. I didn't curl it, so I don't really know like how true the curl situation is, but I am gonna curl it for you guys tomorrow and insert that clip in this video so you can see what it looks like curled and just see how long this hair is gonna last, because honey, I don't know. I really don't know. This is the first time I have heard of this hair, so I have no idea what we're gonna get. But I'm here to help you guys in case anybody is wondering, because this is the first time I saw it, so I think that this must be new. So hopefully this helps you guys out. So this is what it looks like. Let me grab a brush, and you can brush, as you can see, because this is day 2 for me, you can brush straight through it, just like that. And I really don't like straight hair on myself, so I'm definitely gonna curl it. So yep, that was pretty much it. The hair did have kind of a lot of static to it when it came out the pack, but I think it was because of the packaging. But if you have like a brush like this will help with like a paddle brush will help with the static, or you can just use a fabric sheet. And I just used a razor comb to do the front, the face framing, and the flat iron that I did use to flat iron is the Babyliss flat irons, Babyliss titanium, I think that's what it's called, and I have it on 380. So no burning, the hair didn't burn, it didn't melt, anything like that. I only did 380. I did not heat it up higher than that because on the packaging it didn't say whether or not you could actually curl it. So I didn't really know. So it didn't say whether or not you could curl it, and it didn't say what temperature to curl it on. But I'm going to insert a picture of the packaging, and I will be back to show you guys what it looks like when it's curled along with day 10. I hope and pray that we can make it through, but if it gets crazy, I'm gonna jump back on and let y'all know so y'all can see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I did my hair on Friday. It is now Monday. I know I said I was gonna do like 10 days, but I feel like I needed to come on sooner. So as you guys can see, I curled it. I curled the hair, you guys. I curled it on, what was it? 380. I curled the hair on 380. Now, just to give you guys like some insight on the curling situation, I curled the hair on Saturday. So I installed the hair on Friday. I actually curled my hair on Saturday. You guys, I haven't had to do anything but curl the little front back. The rest of the curls have stayed the whole entire time, which is like amazing. So I was shocked. I was really shocked. I was really shocked because for $10 a pack, you know, like you really don't expect much, but it's been doing pretty good. I'm gonna take the comb so you guys can kind of see. It's combing straight through it, no problem still. So it's been kind of like 4 days, and I mean, I would say it holds the curl pretty well. I didn't do tight curls. I kind of did loose curls. I'm not going to say I don't think that it would hold a tight curl. I would just say if you did a tight curl, you're going to need to pin curl your hair to get it to stay. But I think this hair will be beautiful in loose curls. It does beautiful with wand curls. Probably, I would say so, since the loose curls look really good. And I'm probably going to get this hair and do a bob because it really curled like really good. Like I really like how it looks. So I just wanted to come back on and show you guys. I'm gonna keep it in until it just basically goes bad, and I'll give a little more insight on that either in the comment section or in the description after like the 10th day. So just to let you guys know, everything is wonderful with the hair so far. I'll give it, I would say like out of 10, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. And the reason I say an 8 out of 10 is just because it doesn't tell you on the pack how high you can curl this hair up to. So I had no idea, you know, I was kind of scared that I was gonna burn the hair. And also it does shed a little bit, not a lot, a little bit. So like if you brush it, like I have to take my bonnet off and brush it, like I do get some shedding, but not much. So I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 so far. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and comment if you have any questions about the hair or if there's anything that I didn't go over. But thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.